Namaskaram. Are you suffering from gastrointestinal acid reflux, stomach ulcers or indigestion? Here are some simple tips to follow to feel better. First, let's understand the causes of acidity. We get acidity mainly due to a busy and sedentary lifestyle and unhealthy eating habits such as consuming too much fried, canned and processed foods or sugary drinks. Excessive stress also aggravates acidity. These factors diminish the digestive fire, and as a result, undigested food resides in the body in the form of toxins or amar. Another reason for acidity is long gaps between meals. This results in stomach acids getting accumulated, causing acid reflux and indigestion. Let's look at some of these Ayurvedic home remedies for acidity. Chew 3 to 4 basil leaves every day. Basil leaves soothe inflamed esophagus and stomach lining. You could also boil a cup of water with 3-4 basil leaves and simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool down and drink it 2 to 3 times a day. Basil leaves have soothing anti-ulcer properties which help in reducing the acidic level of the stomach and give relief to acidity. Soak a spoonful of coriander seeds in 3 glasses of water overnight and drink the water early in the morning. Coriander seeds have a calming and carminative effect that helps in treating acidity. A third remedy is to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds to a cup of boiled water and drink it after your meals. Cumin is an amazing cure for acidity and bloating. You already know the benefits of aloe vera. So try this cooling aloe vera juice to treat GERD and other gastric related issues. Aloe vera is anti-inflammatory and analgesic and has a cooling effect on the body. Pranam.
Do subscribe to our channel to get free tips on health, yoga, diet, nutrition, lifestyle, exercise and spirituality.